Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video is about how to disable Windows updates. Many of you have faced these problems of Windows updates. Some people do not want the updates but they don't know how to disable it. So watch this video, you'll come to know how to enable or disable the updates of Windows 11 and 10. Stay tuned.
So guys, here we are on the screen of Windows 10. So let's quickly check the configuration of this PC. It's a i3 second gen 5 GB RAM and Windows 10 Pro. Usually when update comes, it will appear here or it will appear on the start power button. Here it will show some kind of dot, or it will automatically start updating and the message will pop up here saying that Windows are getting updated. Okay, so we have to wait until it gets updated. So before doing that, I would like to tell you that if you are using any web-based application or any software on which updates are required, then it is not recommended. But if you are not a frequent user, or if you are not a user of some kind of such kind of software or a web application, then you can disable it. To do that, simply go here, type run, then type services.msc, hit enter. This pop-up will appear. Okay, here you need to find out Windows Update. It's a alphabetic order, so just go down where the W is there. Here it is. So here you can see Windows Update. What you need to do is just click here, right click on it and click stop. By clicking stop, it will take few seconds and it will be stopped. As you can see, if I right click here, the option will appear like I have to click to start. Okay, so this is how you can disable Windows Update, either it's a Windows 10 or 11. So guys, in this video only this much. Hope you learned something from this video. If you find something informative on this video, please give a like to the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.